Thunder vs. Mr. Cam round 3. Alright, Dad's Volcano's up first, and he's going big with the bicarb and vinegar style Volcano. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 giant scoops of baking soda. Now for the dish soap. 1, 2, 3. One more. 4 for luck. Mix, 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 mix. And now the vinegar. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Holy cow! That's an eruption. And now for the judges' score. 6 out of 10. Don't be a baby, Mr. Cam. 6 out of 10 is not too bad. And now it's Chocolate Thunder's turn. What does he have in store for us? An Elephant Toothpaste Volcano. Before we begin, safety first, everyone. He measures 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Next, he has 2 bottles of hydrogen peroxide. Dangerous stuff. Good thing he's asked his dad to help him. 1, 2 bottles. 3 bottles of hydrogen peroxide. Next, he applies some dish soap to the mixture. Now, he's about to add in the dried yeast. 3, 2, 1, in it goes. It's about to erupt. It's about to erupt. And there it goes! Holy cow! It's erupting. Oh, it's really erupting now. Look at the lava coming out of that volcano. Let's go to the judges. And they score a 9 out of 10 for Chocolate Thunder! Oh, I can't believe it!